Business Bites, powered by Sagicor. Hello, I'm Ann Barrett with the Jamaica Observer's Business Bites for Tuesday, October 31. Birthing out of inconvenience and logistical frustration is a local courier service that was among the first companies to go cashless, which, despite the pushbacks, managed to see a 5-year succession. More in this report. From operating out of a car trunk to now operating in a 3,000 square feet property, IP Courier's journey was both a surprise to the owners Gavin Lindsay and Jeremy Newman and the Jamaican landscape of couriers at the time. The company began operations in 2019 predominantly as a delivery service due to not having a physical location. IP Courier was cramped for space, and in order to get the packages out quickly, the company strategically used online payments as a tool to increase the amount of deliveries it could make in a single day.
We had a pretty large pushback where persons didn't want to pay online, persons rather do the bank transfers, or persons still wanted to pay us cash. But we quickly got aided by the pandemic in March when everything got shut down and everybody realized, hey, IP Courier is onto something.
By mid-2020, IP Courier was stretched to its capacity with deliveries. The influx of packages forced the company to find a physical location and call on customers to pick up their packages instead. As its customer base expanded, so did its location, moving from a 450 to a 900 square feet property as it gained 1,000 new customers.
The pandemic was actually a blessing for every courier because more persons couldn't go downtown to shop on Darling Street or Orange Street, so they bought online. So couriers benefited, and IP Courier made it one step further, make it more convenient because you could pay online and get a package delivered to you. You didn't have to interact with their drivers that much. They would call you, they say leave it at the doorstep, and we'll just leave it at the doorstep and we're gone.
Today, 60% of its local revenues are from its online platform. As the company continues to grow, it is cautious to outgrow its current location and is trying to maximize the space as much as possible. IP Courier is now eyeing the possibility of becoming a fulfillment center for Jamaicans looking to ship their products overseas.
It's an underserved market for Jamaicans sending stuff abroad. We want to tap into that, as I said. We want everybody here to have the ability to make some money by selling abroad. And that is a market that we want to expand. We want to make it as efficient as getting the goods in, as getting the goods out.
And before we go, here's a tip from budget coach Caron Clark. Track your expenses. The numbers or budget will always be off unless the budgeter knows where every single dollar goes. And that's it for the Jamaica Observer's Business Bites for today. I'm Ann Barrett.